I think it's I think the resistance is around like taking responsibility and being willing to be seen. So it's like I feel like I'm growing, but I feel like yeah,
So
it's just small.
here's the thing too, because I know I spend a lot of time around feelers. Like I say that too. It's like, I feel like I am, but it's like, you got to look at the data. Like, what have you done? And then, there is, there's technical information around this too, but you're hitting it right on the mark. You resisted showing up and saying, this is what I do. This is who I am. I'm here to serve. I'm here ready to receive money, because there's probably some meaning you have associated with that. Does that resonate at all?
Yes. Yeah.
Do you know what that meaning might be in the moment?
No, not really. I think feels like there's something that's like if I think it might be around sacrifice, like around like with my family, like with my, I don't know. I've never framed it like that consciously.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I want you to look at this in terms of like, what is in there? It sounds like from what you're saying to me, there's a belief that you have to sacrifice the quality of your family time in order to run your business. Does that ring true at all?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So again, if you can imagine something, it is possible. I know one of my mentors, she had to learn how to make enough money to be like, okay, kids, we need to go on, like, I need to travel for this job. Like, how can I do this? My job asked me to travel. And her now like best friend who she works with was like, make enough money so you can hire a nanny and we bring everyone on the road. Like, it's thinking beyond where you've been so far, right? So you surrounding yourself with someone who has a bigger idea, but then also believing, okay, if the supply is here, then it's about, are you willing to have a conversation with your partner? Or like, I've worked with moms before. It's like they were trying to do everything. They were not doling out responsibility. They were not teaching their children how to be independent. The self-sacrifice, right? The self-sacrifice rather than the sacrifice of the lower nature. So we're focusing on the sacrifice of the lower nature to be able to step into the higher nature. Okay, awesome.